Beautiful large studio with separate kitchen. In Jackson Heights entrance, there's a closet here. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. It's another huge closet here. Beautiful separate kitchen. All stainless appliances, beautiful cabinets. It comes with a dishwasher, windows in the kitchen. Another closet here. You can use it as a linen closet. Bathroom newly renovated, beautiful tiles, very clean. New medicine cabinet. Shiny bathtub, windows in the bathroom. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Very close to train station. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.